when Mum grabbed Logan by the collar, it must have ripped off him. Is there anything you'd like to add or alter? Yeah, can you tell my mum to off for me?
وقتی که ریگ 13 ساله شروع به افشاگری در مورد برادرش کرد که به طرز مرموزی تو نیمه شب 31 جولای 2021 ناپدید شده بود، هیچکس نمیتونست وحشت این اتفاق رو پنهون کنه.
I have watched enough cop programs. Okay. I am not stupid. What is wrong with my son?
هرچی بیشتر پلیس ها وارد جزئیات می شدند و تحقیق می کردند، پرونده به همون میزان پیچیده تر می شد و نکته‌ای که کشف می کردند نگران کننده تر از قبل بود. پلیس جنوب غربی ولز تماسی دریافت کرد که شروع کننده یکی از دلخراشترین پرونده های این شهر بود. این تماس توسط زنی 31 ساله به اسم ویلیامسون انجام شده بود که از اتفاقی که افتاده بود به شدت شوکه شده بود.
Please. Where are you? My son's not here. My boyfriend is not here. Lower Lanson, Freddie and Sean said somebody is not here.
Okay. Who's not there?
My son.
Okay, take a breath. When did you see him last?
I sat him in the bed last night and I've just got up for my son and he's the other one's not here. Logan!
Okay. What's his name? Is his name Logan?
Logan Williams. Please help me. This is my baby.
We're going to get as many people to the area as soon as we can, okay?
بعد از این خبر پلیس‌ها به حالت آماده باش قرار گرفتند و به اونجا رفتند. بعد از رسیدن به اونجا متوجه شدند که ناپدری 40 ساله لوگان، جان کول و برادر ناتنی 13 سالش کریک مولیگان از قبل دنبال لوگان میگشتند. اما با شروع تحقیقات کارآگاهان با موج زیادی از سوالات بی جواب مواجه شدند که فقط موضوع رو پیچیده‌تر می‌کرد.
What's going on?
The back door was open.
So the back door was unlocked.
The back door was unlocked.
Who's got a key for that back door?
Me, it's the only one that's in the back door.
Did you lock it before you went to bed?
I thought I did.
به نظر می رسید که چیزهایی که در مورد لوگان میگن درست نیست. چطور ممکنه یه بچه شب از تخت خوابش ناپدید بشه؟ آیا اون دزدیده شده یا اتفاق بدتری براش افتاده؟ تو همون زمان عده‌ای از پلیس‌ها برگشتن برای پیدا کردن لوگان و چند نفر از اونها هم به خونه لوگان برمیگردن تا سرنخ‌هایی پیدا بکنن. اولین چیزی که پلیس‌ها رو به شک انداخت این بود که ماشین لباسشویی روشن بود که رخت خواب لوگان توش داشت شسته می‌شد. با توجه به اینکه ساعت 6 صبح و لوگان از دیشب ناپدید شده، این موضوع یکم عجیب به نظر می رسید، ولی اولویت پیدا کردن لوگان بود. بعد از چند ساعت وقتی لوگان تو رودخونه اوگر پیدا میشه، این پرونده تبدیل به یک فاجعه میشه. تنها چند مایل دورتر از خونش در سارنبریگن جنوب ولز جسد بیجون لوگان پیدا شد و برای کالبد شکافی فرستاده شد به پزشکی قانونی. ولی پلیس ها تو اقدامی هوشمندانه به خانواده لوگان گفتن که اونو پیدا کردن و فقط اون بیهوش بوده و فرستادنش به بیمارستان.
He is unconscious. Why is he unconscious?
Listen, I don't know. Right now, the best thing...
All I'm getting is answers like this. Why is no one telling me what's going on?
I don't know. Sweetheart, look.
He's my baby. What's going on? I want a straight answer. Why won't you let me down there? I have watched enough cop programs. Okay. I am not stupid. What is wrong with my son? I am his mother.
Yeah, I understand that.
Tell me what is going on now.
پلیس ها از دادن اطلاع دقیق به اونها خودداری کردند و برای کشف ماجرا رفتن سراغ همسایه‌ها و در مورد هر چیزی که میتونست کمک کنه در پیدا کردن حقیقت مرگ لوگان سوال کردند.
Bayetsi at 5:40 and the woman was screaming hysterically I could hear and see it from my bedroom window, so I seen it all and heard it. Yeah, shouting up the street, Logan, Logan.
در حالی که ماموران دنبال هر سرنخی بودن، به طور اتفاقی دوربین مداربسته‌ای رو دیدن که مستقیم خونه لوگان رو نشون میداد. به سرعت شروع به بررسی فیلم‌های دوربین مداربسته کردن و چیزی که کشف میکنن مثل یک کابوس بود.
Body being carried out in that position.
اونچه که تصاویر دوربین مداربسته نشون میده مأموران رو شوکه میکنه. حدود ساعت 2:45 دو نفر در حالی که یه چیزی رو دوششون هست از خونه خارج میشن. به نظر میرسه بدن بیجون لوگان بوده و به سمت رودخونه حرکت میکنن و یک نفر دیگه دنبال اونا در حال حرکته. چیزی که این سرنخ رو وحشتناکتر میکنه اینه که تصاویر مربوطه نشون میده که در تمام طول شب هیچ کس وارد خونه نشده و این سرنخ تنها یک چیز رو میرسونه که افرادی که توی دوربین مداربسته بودن والدین خود لوگانن. پرونده‌ای که از اول به عنوان یک پرونده مفقودی بود الان تبدیل به یک پرونده قتل شده و حالا پلیس با مدارکی که داشت به سرعت برای دستگیری این سه نفر اقدام میکنه.
Alright, John. Right. We've obviously come to speak to you. What I need to tell you now, okay? 1822. I'm arresting you on suspicion of the murder of Logan.
What?
I do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you do not mention when question, something which you later rely on in court. Anything you do say may be given evidence, okay?
Why am I children wrong?
Okay, is this part of the investigation?
I haven't done anything wrong!
Okay.
Where is Logan? Why is nobody talking to me? You're supposed to be helping find out.
با بازداشت هر سه مظنون اول آنگارد برای بازجویی آورده میشه.
The 2nd of August 2021. And Harrod, tell me everything you know about what happened to Logan.
Logan got washed, and then I let him choose his pajamas. He had his black bottoms with his little dinosaur ones on, and he was wearing a black Spider-Man top. So we had a mixed match outfit. I put Logan to bed, and I tucked him in.
What time do you think that was?
About 10:30. And then I woke up and Logan wasn't there. I thought this was all my fault. I thought because of COVID and he'd been quarantined that he'd gone outside because I told him he couldn't.
It's...
آنگارد به وضوح از مرگ لوگان ناراحته ولی در لحظه‌ای داستان به قسمت تاریکتر این ماجرا میره. کارگاهان تصمیم میگیرن فیلم دوربین مداربسته رو به اون نشون بدن.
From the CCTV, lights appear on and off at various intervals through the early hours.
No, I did not switch the light off. I was asleep.
This is the front gate to your house leading out onto the street. And this would be around 2:45 in the morning. It's definitely a person walking through and they're carrying a shape what looks like a body.
Please close, I don't want to see it.
Okay.
That's my son.
Who do you think that is, Anne Harrod?
Jacob.
در کمال تعجب افرادی که دوربین تصاویر اونها رو ثبت کرده کسی جز جان و کریک نیستند که جسد لوگان رو به جایی میبرن و باعث آشکار شدن حقیقتی تلخ و وحشتناک شدن.
I wanted him to have physical contacts because of COVID. When I told him to get back on his bed, it just saying no. I shout, I'm quite loud. You asked him to go in the corner and he just wouldn't stand still. He'll bite himself. He kept throwing himself on his hands and knees. I've come up behind him, so I've kind of just hoisted my fingers like that, picked him up, pushed him, get in bed. It was like that. It wasn't like I swung.
این اعتراف تا حدی جریان رو مشخص کرد و در تحقیقات قبلی پلیس ملافه‌های خون‌آلود لوگان پیدا شده بود که پزشکی قانونی تایید کرده بود که متعلق به لوگان هستش. اما نکته وحشتناک اینجا بود که جان حتی با دیدن خونریزی لوگان به اون اهمیت نداده بود و رفته بود به رخت خوابش و خوابیده بود. اما چند ساعت بعد با فریادهای آنگارد که میگفت لوگان مرده از خواب میپره و وقتی جان با عجله میاد به اتاق لوگان میبینه که اون بیجون و بی حرکت روی تخت افتاده و به سقف خیره شده.
Harriet said to me she heard him take his last breath. There's like a little steep kind of drop. I put him on the edge. I put him there and then I went back up.
این تمام ماجرا نیست. وقتی اونا بعد از اینکه از شر جسد لوگان راحت شدن به خونه برمیگردن و آنگارد لباس دایناسوری لوگان رو به جان میده تا اونو از بین ببره تا هیچ اثری باقی نمونه و در ادامه جان و کریگ حرف‌های تکون دهنده‌ای میزنن.
I woke up in the middle of the night. Then Dad come into the living room with me. I know we weren't meant to do it, but we grabbed some of the rubbish in the back garden and we chucked it in the river. Now it was all in like black bags and everything. I don't know what was in the bags, I can't remember. And then about 20 minutes after, we went back out to check whether they've gone down. We didn't say anything. We were trying to be as quiet as we could because we didn't want to wake Logan and Harrod. And I don't know whether Logan was still there at that point because we didn't look.
این جریان نشون میده که تو اون خونه چه رفتاری با لوگان میشده و چه شکنجه و آزار و اذیتی میکردن لوگان رو و باعث آسیب دیدنهای متعدد لوگان میشدن. در ادامه آنگارد و جان شروع به متهم کردن همدیگه میکنن و برخلاف اینکه خودشون رو تبرئه کنن بیشتر جزئیات تکون دهنده از شکنجه های لوگان رو افشا میکردن.
He's a good man. He is a good father, but he has his violent outbursts.
John says that Friday, it had been a rough day.
Logan, John was making him face the wall. Wasn't even allowed to face us.
So how often would John make him do that?
Every single day.
Okay. And for how long each day?
All day.
John is saying both him and you had hit Logan. And you had ripped Logan's dinosaur pajamas.
He was on the floor and rather than grabbing his body, she's picked him up by his t-shirt, it's ripped.
This is not true, this is a lie.
And John is saying he woke, it was to you screaming, he's dead, Logan's dead.
And Harrod was seriously frantically panicking, so was I.
And Harrod, listen, we need to find out the truth here, and this is for Logan. Okay,
yes,
we need
I
to
know
find out
it's
the
for
truth.
Logan. This story is very extravagant. None of it is true.
Why would John lie?
Because John's a liar. Because he doesn't want to get done for murder. I wish I never let this man into my son's life.
He said that you handed him a dinosaur pajama top. You said to him, we have got to get rid of this.
No, that's false.
And where is Logan's top now?
I don't know. I was too busy looking for my son to look for a dinosaur top.
The time is 14:40. John states that he had grabbed Logan and had thrown him on the bed. You did the same.
No, I did not throw my son on the bed.
John also said that you'd hit him to the head.
I have grabbed my son in the past. I've grabbed him here and here. I've held him and I was like, stop telling lies. He killed him.
چیزی که مشخصه هر سه مظنون روایت‌های مختلفی رو میگن و تنها راه کشف حقیقت پیدا کردن لباس لوگان هستش که اون شب پوشیده بود. یک تیم جستجو میره به جایی که جان گفته لباس رو اونجا انداخته که شاید بتونن از اون چیزی متوجه بشن. پلیس‌ها فشار رو روی آنگارد بیشتر میکنن که شاید بتونن چیزی رو از زیر زبون اون بکشن بیرون.
You see any incident or anything that happened with Logan that can explain how he's ended up with deep scalp bruising on the back of his head?
Jay gave him a clip round the back of the head.
How did he hit him? And how did Logan react?
He just went,
Is that how Logan got these injuries?
I don't know, sir. I'm not a doctor, so I don't know how hard you have to hit someone in the back of the head to cause an injury like that, sir.
تو این مرحله پلیس هیچ سرنخ رو در مورد اینکه چه کسی در بین مظنونان حقیقت رو میگه ندارن. درست زمانی که پلیس امیدش رو از دست داده بود، آنگارد رو برای بار دوم به اتاق بازجویی میبرن.
They found a pajama top, and the damage to the pajama top appears consistent with a struggle, and that would be consistent with the injuries.
I don't know anything about his injuries. If I did, I've taken him to a hospital.
We are trying to find out what happened to Logan. Our priority is finding out the truth.
Jay hit him 3 or 4 times in the stomach because he wouldn't talk. Jay said the only way this boy understands his pain. He was laughing. That's a good one, isn't it? Craig hit Logan as well. He swept him and pushed him to the floor and he banged his head.
How did that happen?
They've both done martial arts. Jay said he had to do it to get him to listen.
بعد از افشاگری وحشتناک آنگارد از جان و کریک و گزارشات کالبد شکافی نشون میده که لوگان قبل از مرگش تحت شکنجه وحشیانه‌ای و بیش از 50 جراحت در سراسر بدنش قرار گرفته. کارآگاهان بعد از بازجویی متوجه شدن این شکنجه ها فقط به خاطر نجات پرستی جان بوده و فقط به خاطر اینکه پدر اصلی لوگان سیاه‌پوست بوده.
Blunt force trauma to his stomach, and blunt force trauma basically means you're hit with something blunt. So is there anything you can think or an explanation as to that? He's got a bleed on the brain. Could that have been from you striking him that time?
I don't know, maybe. I don't think I hit him hard enough to do that.
I'm just going to show you a couple of photos from exhibit ROD2, which is from Logan's bedroom. So this pillowcase, look slightly closer at it, it's got patches of blood on it.
Yeah.
Has Logan had any injuries which might account for the fact that he's got patches of blood on his pillowcase?
Brushing his teeth, I don't know.
Being charged that between the 28th of July and the 1st of August of this year in Bridgend, you murdered Logan Williamson.
So am I solely being charged? Just me? With murder, yes.
Yeah.
I didn't kill nobody.
So the charge reads with intent to pervert the course of justice. Is there anything you want to say to the charge on that?
در 21 اکتبر 2021 به آنگارد آخرین فرصت داده میشه تا به جرم خودش اعتراف کنه.
The lead days leading up to his death.
No comment.
We asked you if you knew that he was complaining of headaches, local pain, losing consciousness, vomiting.
No comment.
Logan's habits are being switched on and off, and the opening and closing of the curtain, which is in Logan's bed. Okay, John and Craig are out at this point. We know from your previous accounts that it's only you at the address at that time.
No comment.
Both John and Craig are saying that you were awake.
No comment.
Okay. If you're not involved in Logan's death, but helped in the removal of his body and the subsequent elaborate lies to the police, and this is your opportunity to set the record straight, for you to tell us anything that you feel may help us get justice for Logan.
No comment.
در نهایت در 21 آوریل 2022 جان به حبس ابد محکوم شد و آنگارد به 28 سال زندان محکوم شد و کریگ برای همدستی به 15 سال زندان محکوم شد.